Welcome to Vipas.AI, where we prioritize your experience with cutting-edge AI applications. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to update your user profile on our platform, where you can keep your information current and provide others with a better understanding of who you are. First, open your web browser and navigate to Vipas.AI. Ensure you are logged into your Vipas.AI account. If not, click on the Login button at the top right corner. Then enter your credentials and log in. Once logged in, locate the Profile section at the top right corner of the website. Click on your profile icon to proceed. Clicking on the profile icon will display a drop-down menu with several options. Carefully look through these options and select the Account option. This will open the Profile Updates page, showcasing all your details. On the Profile Updates page, you will see various fields to add various details. Note that the username and email fields are static and cannot be changed, as they were set during the initial sign-up process. Click on the Nickname field to add or update your nickname. In the About Myself field, provide a brief description of yourself. For others to know you better, in the designated field of Address, add your house address. Enter your phone number to be updated in the provided field. To upload and profile image, click Upload button to add your picture by choosing from your device and click Select, and it will get uploaded. Note, you can only upload a profile image according to the size specified on the website, less than or equal to 100 KB below. There is a section where you can add your social media links. For each link, mention the platform in the first column by selecting through the drop-down and add the URL to your profile of that platform in the second column. You can add up to 3 social media links, as well as your email and GitHub link for tech users, where they can showcase their projects and contributions. Carefully review all the details you have entered to ensure they are accurate and complete. Once you have confirmed the information, click on the Update button. Your profile will be updated with all the new details you have provided. Please note that your nickname, username, About Myself section, and social media links will be visible to others who view your profile. This helps provide a comprehensive view of who you are to the community. Thank you for keeping your profile up to date on Vipas.AI. Your active participation helps build a vibrant and connected community.